With rentyouRide.com, the power is in your hands. Set your own price and choose the requirements that suit you best. Want to rent out your car for a weekend getaway? Done. Need to make some extra cash by offering your truck for delivery jobs? Easy. Want to impress your date with a stylish motorcycle ride? You got it. Introducing rentyouRide.com, your go-to destination for unlocking the potential of your wheels. Whether it's a sleek sedan, a rugged truck, a thrilling motorcycle, a versatile quad, a luxurious boat, or anything in between, rentyouRide.com lets you turn your vehicle into a money-making machine. Whether it's for work, play, or just to make a statement, rentyouRide.com connects you with renters who are eager to hit the road in style. So why let your vehicle sit idle when it could be out there making memories and money? List your ride today on rentyouRide.com and start turning miles into money.